Hi. 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 You're the man. You're the man. You're the man. Hi. Like, why aren't you petting me? Hi. Hi. My cat Chocolate. Oh, there's a plane. Let's see. Where are you at? There it is. Right above me. And there's the sunset. And there are two of my cats near the post bonfire wreckage. Apparently they are on the same wavelength. I'm not kidding you. I'm not kidding when I say that these two cats listen typically better than my dog. It's crazy. Watch. Come here, Chuck. Come on. Hey, let's go. Let's go. Come here. Chuck. Hey, let's go. Come here. Come on.